Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. It's me Farhana Bilal. Welcome to my channel FB Conceptual Study. In lecture number 2, we will learn types of nouns. Number 1, common nouns. Number 2, proper nouns. Number 3, collective nouns. Number 4, abstract nouns. Number 5, concrete nouns. Number 6, countable nouns. Number 7, uncountable nouns. Number 8, compound nouns. Now we will learn the first type of nouns, common nouns. Common nouns refer to a general person, place, or a thing. For example, book, it could be any book. Mosque, it could be any mosque. Boy, it could be picture of any boy. Ship, it could be any ship. River, it could be any river. These are general names. Now we will learn the second type of nouns, that is proper nouns. Proper nouns refer to a specific person, place, or a thing and is always capitalized. For example, the Holy Quran. Holy Quran is the specific book for Muslims. Faisal Mosque, it's a special name of a mosque, a specific name or a special name for a mosque. Quaid-e-Azam was the leader of Pakistan. Titanic, similarly, it's also a specific name. Indus River, it's also a specific name for the river. Now we will study the third type of nouns, collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a set or group of people, animals, or things. For example, flock of birds. When we talk about a group of birds, a set of birds, we say flock of birds. Team of players. When we talk about players in group, that is called team of players. For example, here is a Pakistani cricket team. Okay, bunch of grapes. Next is crowd of people. When we see many fish, we say it's a school of fish. Now we will study the fourth type of nouns, abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to ideas, concepts, qualities, or emotions that cannot be seen or touched or experienced with the senses. As abstract noun refers to ideas, for example, equality. Equality can be considered both an idea and a concept. All human beings should have equal rights. Creativity. Creativity can both be an idea and a concept. It comes from mind. It refers to the act of generating new ideas. Progress is an idea in the sense of improvement or advancement. As concepts also refers to abstract nouns, beauty. Beauty is widely considered as concept. It involves what is pleasing and attractive for us. Freedom is a concept. It refers to the power or right to act, speak, or think. For example, if a student wants to choose any book of his own choice for study, he can choose it. If a kid wants to choose toys of his own choice, he has freedom to choose it. Peace means to stay calm, means to live with other people without fighting. As qualities also refers to abstract nouns. Wisdom. Wisdom is the quality of having good judgment and making a wise decision based on experience and knowledge. Honesty is the quality of being truthful in your words and actions. Means no cheating, no stealing, no deceiving. Kindness. Kindness is the quality of being generous, helping and sharing things with others. As emotions also refers to abstract nouns, emotions are the feelings like joy, anger, fear. Now we will move towards the fifth type of nouns, concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to something that can be physically seen and touched. For example, tree, house, rock, banana, cat. Now we will move to the next type of nouns, countable nouns. Nouns that can be counted and have both singular and plural forms. For example, apple, chair, pen, plate, butterfly. Now we will move towards the seventh types of nouns, uncountable nouns, nouns that cannot be counted and do not have plural form. For example, water. We cannot say waters. We cannot say one water, two water, three water. Okay. So it's an uncountable noun. Okay. Oil. We cannot say oils. We cannot make its plural form. We cannot say one oil, two oil or three oil. Okay. So it's an uncountable noun. Rice. Similarly, we can't say rices because uncountable nouns do not have plural form, or we cannot use any number like 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice. Furniture is also included in uncountable nouns. Milk is also included in uncountable nouns. Now we will study the eighth type of nouns, compound nouns. Nouns that are made up of two or more words. For example, black plus board. It will make a new noun, blackboard. Okay, there are three subtypes of compound nouns. Number 1, closed compound nouns. Number 2, hyphenated compound nouns. Number 3, open compound nouns. Now we will study closed compound nouns. Closed means there is no space. For example, toothbrush. Tooth and brush. They are combining together and making a new noun that is called closed compound nouns. Why it is called closed compound nouns? Because there is no space. Similarly, basketball and cupcake. Now we will learn the second subtype of compound nouns, that is hyphenated compound nouns. Here you can see a small dash, that is the symbol of hyphen or sign of hyphen. For example, roller coaster. Here there is a small dash that is called hyphen in between roller and coaster. So this is the example of hyphenated compound nouns. The next example is merry-go-round and t-shirt. The third and the last subtype of compound nouns is open compound nouns. Open means there is a space between two nouns. For example, coffee shop. Here is a space between coffee and a shop. Post office. There is a gap between post and office, so it is the example of open compound nouns. And living room. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you can watch the next videos. If you did not get or understand any point, please do ask me in the comment.